to your bedtime, baby.
Yeah, in about 4 minutes. So.
Close to your bedtime.
Okay. Lacey, you want to jump on the bed some more with Eric? Take her back.
Nice.
Uh-oh. If you fall down, then what happened?
Can have you roll that? Can I have that? Mine.
Okay, no one has it. Mommy has it. Now, both of you.
Okay, can I
you
have
can,
that
you
my
can
phone?
jump a little bit, and that's it.
Go, go, go. Go, 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 go.
Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One falls off and hit his head. Yeah! Mommy called a doctor, and the doctor said,
Awesome. I'm very curious if we put both of them and just leave them just to try to go.
Oh, don't do that, Lacey. It will fall.
Thank you. If we just
Thank
leave them and try to let them go to sleep, how late will they stay up playing with each other? I'm just very curious.
Oh, be careful.
You okay, Lacey?
Okay.
You want to give Eric a hug before we go?
Okay, give Lacey a hug. She's going home.
Okay, we're gonna go now. You want to give him a hug? We call that crazy.
Okay, give Lacey a big hug so she can go home, okay? Say goodnight, Lacey.
Get her goggles. Get her goggles. He
No?
wants
It's time to
goggles.
go? It's time to go,
No,
Lacey?
nobody get the
Finish.
goggles. Nobody.
Almost finished.
Say goodnight. Say
Papa,
goodnight.
yes.
No, finish, Lacey. Lacey, hug her. Not cool now. We're gonna go.
What's wrong?
You're jumping up. That's enough jumping. Okay, Lacey's going home.
They're breathing so hard.
Bye, Master.
Careful.
Bye, Master. Bye, Master. Bye, Master.
Bye, Master.
Bye, Master. Bye, Master. Bye, Master.